Hello friends, welcome to Simplified Exam Prep. In my Instagram chat box and even in the Telegram group, everyone is asking about the CMAT. When will be the response sheet out and when will be the results announced? So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. I share some tentative updates. Currently we don't have any official update from the NTA, but we can analyze past year trends of NTA and can predict the expected dates of results and when will be the responsive sheet out. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And apart from that, if you are preparing for a SNAP, NMAT, MAT, CAT, ATMA or any other MBA entrance exam, then I have amazing news for you. I am starting a new series for MBA entrance exam aspirants where I cover logical reasoning, a cons section and VARC topics from basic to advanced. And I also cover previous year questions of various exams. I already started the logical reasoning course, so please go and check the videos. You find the link in the description box or I pinned it to the comment box. And amazingly, it's all free of cost, so please go and check once. Now let's start the video. Here the exam was over on 4th of the May. I hope you enjoy this buffer time after the exam. So here you can see the last year trends, or you can say the dates of CMAT 2022. CMAT 2022, the exam was conducted on 9th of April. The response sheet was out on the 18th of April and results were declared on 29th of the April. If you guys notice here, this whole process takes time around 20 to 25 days. We all know the exam was delayed this year. So I hope they show some quickness this year, but still NPT doesn't show any movement. It is like a lazy elephant. So we can expect the repetition of the previous year's trend of the schedule. So let's see this year's scenario. The exam was conducted on the 4th of the May. You can expect a response sheet from the 15th of May to the 17th of the May as per last year's trend, and we can expect the results will announce somewhere around 25th of the May to the 28th of the May. As you guys know, you can challenge question once a response sheet is released. So be prepared with all your questions and the explanation. Maybe this year you don't get much time. I also share some of the questions which I noticed, which I discussed in another video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any important updates. Thank you for the watching video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video.